Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a freezer organisation video. I hope that you're going to find it interesting. So I've just gone from having a chest freezer to a stand-up freezer. So the reason I got rid of the chest freezer is because of my back. I was really struggling bending over, trying to get everything in and out the freezer, trying to stock rotate. And just trying to find things in general without having to move everything else around. So I'm quite short and I was finding it really hard. I actually can't reach the bottom of the freezer. So I just thought it'd be easier just to get myself a stand-up freezer, just to make life a little bit easier, and hope that makes a nice big difference for us. So what I've done is I've emptied out the big chest freezer, used up as much as I could, got rid of anything that was really out of date, and then I popped everything I could into my fridge freezer and a few bits into a family member's freezer as well, just to look after. So when we got the new freezer up and running, I popped those bits back in. So I've just taken a few pictures and videos for you, just for you to see what we've done. So I've just put in everything that had been in my old chest freezer and some bits from my fridge freezer. So I've just got some open packets of a few bits and pieces there. It's convenience food. In here I've added in all the small ice packs and then all the lollies and choc ices and everything the kids like. These are dairy free and gluten free. And there's just a few different bits in there. This is an ice maker, but I've only just put water in there, so we don't have ice yet. And then the ice tips into there, so you get an ice tray. So I've just made a potato product straw. There's various chips and wedges and roast potatoes. This is going to be my drawer for just random items. This is all the gluten-free and vegetarian food. And this is going to be my overflow drawer. So these are the bits that I would usually keep in my kitchen fridge freezer, but I already have some in there. So this is the overflow. And this is the fridge freezer. Done, all finished now. So in this one we just have different bags of fruit and smoothie mixes, and these are all my tubs of basil, ginger, more ginger. I think I overdid it with the ginger. And some chilli. Second drawer has got vegetables in it. These are a lot of my pre-packaged vegetables, just so I don't have to chop so much. So different mixed ones, beans, peas, more mixed, and then chopped garlic, chopped white onions, sliced red onions, and this is a great mix for making soup. That really saves a lot of chopping. And then this one's just got some meat products and some ice packs. So as you can see, this freezer is actually quite empty actually compared to how it used to be. But it just gives us more space just to get some more bits and pieces in now, probably get some more meat in there. And I do like the pre-packaged chopped items as well, so I'll be adding to that as well.